Yeah, yeah.
So you made it.
We made it. Oh, we had a lot of fun just getting to here.
We'll have more getting. You see, in this alignment, you have a kind of a church.
Oh, yeah.
Uphill.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
What direction? We will have lunch there very close.
Welcome to Guimarães, home of my friend Rui. We're gonna visit right now at his factory. We're on our way, buddy. We're almost there. Rui, you didn't say it's gonna be this exciting to go see you on this route right there, AMF. So I'm not sure exactly what this is, but he told me it was a shoe factory for like security type shoes or working boots maybe. Let's see. Baby, a lo mejor hacen tacones lindos y te voy a regalar un par, ¿ok? Rui,
Bye, Venon.
how are you?
So you made it.
We made it. Oh, we had a lot of fun just getting to here.
We'll have more getting. You see, in this alignment, you have a kind of a church.
Oh, yeah.
Uphill.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
What direction? We will have lunch there very close. We just make a quick tour
Okay.
for 10 minutes, something, if it's okay with you.
Yeah, of course.
I would like you just to...
I wanna. It's very interesting. I love it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but as a brief explanation, first of all, we just make safety shoes, and we try to give this fashion outlook to the safety shoes. So all of them, as you can see here, has a toe cap, and the idea is to look fashion in this way, and for you not to see that has actually a toe cap, and it's always a working in a technical shoe. That's the major idea. Biggest development. To try to give always this type of fashion shoe and not so black boot heavy and so on. So this is a...
That one looks almost like a running shoe.
Yes, that's the idea. And
Yeah,
if you
it
see
looks great, yeah.
even the sole, it has this look and feel, very soft.
Yeah.
But of course, that you don't feel it, that actually is a safety shoe. So this is I would say, the major idea. So actually today I'm not with a suit because I bring the bike, but you also have the option, and it has to be. So this gives you a little brief about...
Amazing work, amazing. I can't believe that that's a safety shoe. I don't know. I would wear that to a wedding.
Okay. From the material itself, as a selection, the color, resistance, abrasion, whatever, as the last construction where you have to see how we will fit in the toe cap, how wide this is okay, since the size 48 or 52 until the 35 itself, which is usually our product range. This digital to the physic point of view, designing if we need a specific toe cap that does not fit here, and we need a different mold in order to design because we want it shorter here or a little higher because of this or because of that. So they have the challenge to even challenge our suppliers to bring new materials. See this example, you have something here as aluminium, it's not metal, it's not steel, the regular steel, which is much lighter than the regular steel. Okay, and we have something the polycarbonate, the composite, which is a plastic issue, okay, which is every time much more used itself. They are much more lighter, they are much more expensive, but they are much more comfortable by the end of the day.
Que linda la moto, wow. Beautiful. Oh, it's the 1250. That's a brand new model for this year. The best of the best for my friend Rui. What a beautiful tour that he gave us here at the AMF Safety Shoe Factory near Porto, near, no, how do you say the name of this town? Guarani, I don't remember. Beautiful tour, thank you Rui. Now he's taking us to a castle or a cathedral mountaintop for lunch. Beautiful thing, thank you my friend. I wish I could repay that to you one day in Miami Beach. It seems like we're possibly here. It looks really, really cool up here. Penha, Patrimonio Nacional. Oh, look at it up there, yep. What a cool place. Wow, unexpected. There's a hotel too here, yeah. Look at this. Which one? ¿Cuál te gusta más, esa o esta? No, está hinchada, es fat. Esa. Okay, Rui is very busy right now. Very busy. Look at his brand new BMW R1250 exclusive BMW Adventure. Beautiful bike. I'm not too familiar with the new 1250, but this might be a unique color here for Europe or maybe even Portugal. Okay, this is where we had a coffee. Right over there. With my new friend Rui. I can never pronounce it the right way, sorry my friend. What a cool spot. This is like the highest point possibly in the highest point in this town, which I can't pronounce either. lead protection for Tatanka. Portugal's finest, taking care of my motorcycle. Todo bien?
It's beautiful.
Gracias. Thank you. Obrigado. I think we got pretty lucky with our room here in Porto.